Are you preparing for GATE 2023 but are still thinking where to start from? Start early with the correct approach and know how. We are coming up with a new session for all the students who are appearing in year 2023. So let me just highlight you some of the key features of this program. So the first one is it's a self-paced course. So you will get direct access to all the sessions by topics curated by our expert mentors. Secondly, it includes diverse live sessions. So I can confidently say that whatever you learn through the self-learning outcomes will be summarized and recapped in the live sessions taken by our mentors. And lastly, the most important key highlight of them all is the syllabus roadmap for your success in GATE 2023. Apart from these, we also have live doubt-solving sessions and quizzes and a bonus score boosting session. So geeks, you'll have the advantage of having content round the clock. Every year, lakhs of engineering aspirants go that extra mile to prepare for this tough examination. So register yourself and get started to crack the GATE exam.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the next session of the Coding Battleground. This is our 7th session. Maybe some people may be new here, so this is our 7th session of Coding Battleground. Okay, let me tell you what we do in this program, in this session actually. In the Coding Battleground, our two highly talented coders try to solve a problem. They compete with each other. Hello Nandan. So they compete with each other, and whoever solve the problem in less time complexity, that will be the winner. And if the time complexity of both of them are same, then we see that okay, who have submitted the code earlier. Okay, so from that way, whoever will be the winner, we will find out. And you and me, audience and me, will be the judge there. So you will also provide the input to check out their codes, and I will also try to find out some problems in their code. Okay, and while they will be solving the problem, you people, there will be a placement oriented quiz. Means there will be a questions from various companies like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, top companies. You will find out the questions in the quiz which I will share with you people, and you can play that quiz and win the some exciting coupons from Geeks for Geeks. So one winner will be from the audience side who will win the quiz, and runner up will also get the coupon. Okay, two people will get the coupon from the audience side, and one winner from our coder side that will also get the coupon. Okay, so let me call my our today's guest, first guest. So let me call to the Geetika. Hello Geetika, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. What about you, sir?
Okay, Geetika, I think many people already know you here right now, but still, can you please introduce yourself?
Hey, everyone. Myself, Kitika Takran, and currently I am working as a mentor with Geeks for Geeks in Android application development. And currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's of degree, and I'm in third year of my college from CSE background.
Okay, okay. Let me call to our second coder. So, hello Akash, how
Hi
are
everyone.
you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Puneet. What about you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Akash, will you please introduce? You are new here in our coding battleground actually. So, will you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Yeah, so my name is Akash Singh, and I am currently doing computer science engineering from Army Institute of Technology, Pune. And currently, I am in my fourth year, and I have joined JFG as an associate mentor. Yeah, that
Okay.
was about me.
So, what about your coding background?
Yeah, so actually, I have been involved in competitive programming. So I have attained a level of expert on code forces. So yeah, that was coding.
But actually, let me tell you about the Geetika. Geetika is very highly talented. Uh, Also a highly talented coder. She beat last time I think Chirag with the very nice code. That was amazing code. Even the Chirag was using the dynamic programming to solve the problem, but Geetika come up with the different approach, and she beat that person. Okay, so even though you are good at programming, no doubt you are good at competitive programming, but Geetika is also good. Let me tell you.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let me share the question with you people. Okay. So let me share the question with you people.
Yeah,
So I hope my screen is visible to you people.
Yes, sir.
yeah, it's really good.
Okay. So this is our seventh session actually of Coding Battleground. And here is the question which is already asked in Facebook also. Okay. And the question is maximum rectangular area in a histogram. So this is the question. Let me read the problem statement. So what you need to be done is you need to find the largest rectangular area that is possible in a given histogram. Okay, where the largest rectangle can be made up of a number of contiguous bars. Okay, let me show you with that with this picture. Actually, what you need to be done is you are given these histogram. Okay, histogram is nothing, just these bars. This chart is a histogram. And what you need to find, you need to find the largest rectangular area in this histogram. So here you can see that largest rectangular area will be this one, if you can notice.
Yes.
So you need to find this one. So in
Okay.
this particular example, that is, so the area will be, actually you can see the area will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. So that will be 12. Okay, so you need to find this thing. Okay, and one more thing you need to note down is that for assume that all the bars have same width. So this width is same, this width is same, that is okay, 1 unit. I can say this is 1 unit. All these are same. Okay,
Okay.
and there will be n bars. So 1 2 3, there will be n bars. N bars,
Okay.
height of each bar will be given by the array. So this will be the, okay, these are the constraints. And this will be the input, like this will be your input. So for example, if you have 7 bars, or you can say the
Mhm.
size of the array is 7, and these elements are actually showing the length of each bar. So for example, in this array is actually equivalent to this histogram. You can see 6, uh, this value is represented at this, and this 2 is this second bar, this is third bar, this is fourth one, 4, 5 is fifth one, and so on, 1 and 6. So input will be in the form of array and array size. Okay, so what you need to be print is, so the output should be for this, as you can see here, the maximum, the largest rectangle area in this will be actually 12. So output should be 12.
Yeah.
Okay, so if any doubt you have in this question, you can ask to me, any of you.
Uh, no, the question is clear to me.
Nothing
Yes,
from my
yes.
side.
Okay. Okay. So if there is no question, then can you people tell me what will be the output for this input, so that I can verify that okay, everything is clear to you people. What should be the output for this input? What should be the largest rectangular area? So any of you can tell me. So means you are
I
understanding
think
the. Yes, 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 Akash.
I think the largest area will be 10. I think.
10. Gitika, anything
No,
from your side?
no.
Seven.
Actually, it will be 16. Like
Yes, yes, yes,
because
that will be 16.
because
You,
8 and 9 will result into 16.
yeah, 8 and 9 are there. So,
8.
oh, so I'm confirmed that now in everything is clear to you. So actually you find out this thing. This will, this bar which is having 8 length, this bar which is having 9 length. So the total area will be 8 from this bar and 8 from this bar. Total will be 16 will be the largest one. Otherwise, you will add other, you will not find out this much big area actually.
Yeah.
So you catch the point actually. So Akash, I think you are you take the problem also very well. So good luck to both of you. I think the problem is clear. So
Yeah.
audience can also ask if there is any doubt in the problem. I think to audience also actually we are not, we are going to share. Okay, so let me stop it. Okay, so so can you people tell me first? Okay, let me remove the Geetika first. Okay, let me talk with the Akash. So we have one solution from Garvit also. Garvit says that this is standard stack problem. So Shivam, you do not need to submit code. You do not need to submit code. Okay, these our two coders, Geetika and Akash, will solve the problem. Okay, live. You do not need to solve. Do not need to work on this problem. For you people, I have a placement oriented quiz. You can participate in that quiz and you can win the coupons. Okay, you can participate in that quiz. Okay, so I'm coming to you people, but before that, okay, uh, let me finish with the Akash and Geetika. Akash, so
Yeah.
what is the first idea which is coming to your mind to solve this problem? What is the first idea which is striking? Okay, I'm not asking for about full solution right now. Can you give me just little bit idea? What is coming in your mind? Let me see how you are thinking actually.
First of all, what we can do is we can consider every continuous bars. Like we can run two loops and we can form all the continuous bars that is possible. Okay, so in that continuous bars, we can find the bar which is having the minimum height, right? So by finding that, we can conclude that the height of the rectangle which we can form will be equal to the height of the minimum bar, right? And after that, we can find the width. So width will be the number of bars that we have taken in that set, right? So we can multiply the height with the width to calculate the maximum area. Okay, so
Okay.
likewise, we can calculate the area of every continuous bar, and after that, we can find the maximum out of it. So this will be the brute force approach that we can think of it.
Okay. So, okay, that's nice. So you can start working on this problem, Akash. Okay, please keep share your coding screen with me. I will keep watch on you at the back end, and meanwhile,
Okay.
I will start my quiz with the audience. Okay, so you can start working. So let me talk to the Geetika now. Geetika, okay, what you think? How you will solve this problem? What is
So
first
like
thing coming to your mind? Yes, yes.
we can consider each continuous bar. Like we will traverse from the starting of the array till the end, and for the particular bar, what we will do is we'll find next smallest right and next smallest left side. So what we'll do is from that we will get the width of the rectangle, and height of the rectangle will be like equal to the height of the current bar. So we can multiply both of them and get the answer and maintain a maximum variable, so that we can keep track of the maximum area.
Okay. I think that is a nice approach actually. So you can, okay. Best of luck to actually both of you. And now you can work. Okay, you can keep code. You can start coding, and meanwhile, I'm going with my audience. And Geetika, you also please share your coding screen with me so that I can keep watch over that. Meanwhile, I'm going with the audience now. I'm going to share the quiz with you people, and you can participate in that. The quiz is actually placement oriented quiz. So okay, Akash, I can see your screen. Geetika,
Yeah.
you also share. Okay, so let me share the quiz with my audience. So let me present the quiz. So you people can join with by opening the www.menti.com. So let me share with you the code of the quiz. With this code, you people can join, and let me share the link also. You can join with the link also directly. So you have link with you, and you also have the code. You can type menti.com, and you can start the quiz. So provide your description so that we can reach to you, and coupon, we can provide the coupons from geeks or geeks side to you people. Okay, so this, both the descriptions are needed. You whatever name you are using in the quiz, because actually what happens is that people simply using different name here. I don't know, lion, uh, some people say that iceman, and some ice cracker, different type of names are there, but we later we this become difficult for us to find out. Okay, your email id is different and your name in the quiz winner name is different. So also please provide, what I want to say is that please provide your quiz name, whatever name you are mentioning in quiz, with the name you are participating in quiz. Please mention that also, so that we can identify the winner actually. Uh, we remain unable to find out, okay, who is the winner actually later. So that become difficult. So let's wait for some time so that maximum people can join it and maximum people can get benefited. Meanwhile, let me tell you about the quiz. If you are new here, this quiz is actually is not only for the coupon. Let me tell you, let me clear you. This quiz is not just for the coupon. Coupon is one thing, gift is one thing you are getting after winning the quiz, but this quiz is having the good questions, placement oriented questions that can benefit you if you want to get placed in good companies. Okay, so that will benefit you more there, and no doubt if you are winning the quiz, you will get also coupon from Geeks or Geeks site. Okay, so let me wait for last 30 seconds and then I will start. Okay, so let me start it now. I'm starting the quiz now. So first, can you people guess? Okay, who is going to win? Akash Singh, who is from Army Institute of Technology Pune, or Geetika, who is from GGSIPU Delhi. So can you give your just a guess, random guess? Okay, who is going to be the winner in this session? Just a random guess, actually. So okay, let's see now. Audience is spotting Akash or Geetika. Let's see. So audience is with Geetika. Geetika, congratulations. Audience is with you. Okay, okay. So let's move with our quiz. So here is the first question with you people. So this is from actually TCS. This question is from TCS. You can attempt it right now. So already 20 people attempted it. So time is over. Let's see how many people give the right answer. 13 people give the right answer. Okay, that's nice. So let's move to the next question. So here is your second question on your screen. So the question is from Samsung, and you have 30 seconds with you. Last 10 seconds. I think time is over almost. So let's see how many people give the right answer, and 10 people give the right answer. That's great to see. This question is asked in Samsung. So that's great to see that, okay, many people are giving the right answer. So here is the next problem with you people. Next question of our quiz. So the question is from MAQ software. The quiz is going to be little bit tough, no doubt, because these are the actual questions asked in good companies. So please don't give up and keep trying it. So no doubt the questions levels will be little higher, but that will help you also in placements if you are regularly attending all these sessions every week. Actually, every Friday we come up at 6 o'clock. So you still have 30 seconds with you, almost approximately. So 22 people attempted it, 23. So let's see now how many people attempted it right. So that's again great to see that, okay, 12 people attempted it right. Okay, let's move to the next one. So here is the next question for you people. So this is actually from the gate 2022. This question is a good question, that's why I put it here. So you have 1 minute with you, and the question is nice actually. You still have 30 seconds with you. Last 10 seconds. And time is over. Let's see how many people attempted it right. Oh, there is a balance bar here. Okay, 7 people attempted it right. No, that's great. Okay, so you can check out your your you can check out yourself. Okay, how good you are. That will help you. So this is from D show. This question is from D show. If you can attempt it, see you can check out your level. So try to solve it yourself. Just do not randomly guess it. That will help you to improve yourself. So it's the quiz is not only about the coupon. The quiz is more about your placement. Okay, time is over. So 9 people attempted it right actually. That's great. So let's move to the next question. And this is the second last one now. So keep trying. This is from Adobe. So in the question, actually, after Adobe, I forget to put this colon. So Adobe is a different thing. a binary tree. From here the question is starting. So you have still 50 seconds approximately with you. You can think over it. So just give a try, think over it. You will not find out these questions easily over the internet. So this can be very helpful to you people to improve your skills. So last 10 seconds with you. Time is almost over. Let's see how many people attempted it right. Again, the equal bars are going on. Okay, seven people attempted it right. Okay, so let's move to the last question for today quiz. So here is the last question for you people. And let's see. This is from Infosys. Pre-order is same as DFS, BFS, topological order, or linear order. So you have 20 seconds left with you. So time is over now. So 9 people are right actually. Okay, that's great. So this was great. Let's see who is our winner now. So Marsh and Watson is the runner-up and Mars is the winner actually. Okay. So Mars, please mention this name with your email ID. Okay. If you do not mention, then please write in the chat. Okay, live chat, so that we can identify you. Okay, we are people getting people vote goat, Mars, Watson, I don't know, Beyonce or Mac goat face, I don't know. Okay, so this become very difficult to find out the winner later actually. Okay, so congratulations Mars from Geeks for Geeks. So okay, I will stop you people for 10 seconds, Geetika and Akash. Will you please stop for 10 seconds? Can you give please 10 seconds and let's celebrate the uh, let's congratulate to the Mars and Watson. Okay, let's congratulate to both of them. And they by 10 second 10 claps. Okay, 10 second 10 clap for Mars and Watson. Please join me. Please join me. Okay. Let me congratulate. You people can also congrats in the audience. Can also congrats to Mars and so
Congrats, March. March and who is the other one? Watson, right?
So this become this become very difficult for us actually find out who is Mars. We try to find out the Mars and Watson. Okay, Shivam get actually 4th rank, he said. So actually this quiz is not that much easy quiz actually. If you are scoring in this, if you are getting even 4th rank or any, if you are scoring 1st rank, so actually that's nice thing actually. The questions are from good companies actually. So if you are attempting these questions and if you are attempting these questions, then that's great thing. Okay, Asutosh, Java uska course hai, please. Okay, you can check out Geeks for Geeks website. Okay, you can check out there. So Sarath Kumar got 7th rank. Or one more thing, one more announcement I have for our audience actually. The announcement is that if you want to participate here live, like Geetika and Akash is participating live here, if you also want to participate, actually there is a form available in the description section. You can fill that form. Okay, if you want to come live on Geeks or Geeks and you want to participate in this live coding battle, then you are most welcome. You can fill that form. Okay, and just what is the requirement? You must be good at coding. Okay, that is the requirement. You must be good at coding. If you think that you are good at DSA, then you can join us. Okay, and Shivans is actually in 10th class. That's great. Shivans, you can start coding. Yes, Shivans, you can start coding. You're in 10th class. You can start with Python. I will suggest. That's personal, my personal opinion. You can start with Python. Python is very easy language actually, and Python is actually is you can do competitive programming also in Python, and you can go for machine learning also in Python. So both ways that will be beneficial. Okay, so let me ask to my coders. uh, Akash, have you completed, or let me share with you people the screen of Akash, coding screen of
Yeah,
Akash.
I'm done with the
Akash,
code.
please share your coding screen. Okay, have you
Yeah,
completed? Okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
that's Geetika. Are you still working, or you have also completed?
Sir, I'm still working.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's relief for me actually. If you will be saying that I have also completed, this become difficult for me. Okay, who is the winner actually? Now I can say that okay, if Akash is um, solving the problem earlier, then this will be easier for me. If the complexity of both of them are same. Okay, okay, Akash. We would like to test your code
Yeah.
actually. So will you please first come
Okay.
down, and we will give you test cases. So audience, you people please, you can give also test cases here. We will test your cases. We will test your cases, whatever you will share. Okay, we will test your cases. Okay.
So any test cases from the audience?
Okay. So let me give you, meanwhile let me give you one test case. Okay.
Okay.
So where please share your coding screen. Increase
Yeah.
little bit font. Can you please increase little bit font? Yeah, that's
Is it
fine.
visible now?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
that's fine. Will you please little bit come down so that we can see your screen properly?
Yeah.
So here is a one test case from my side. Otherwise, audience can share the test case so that we can test the code of the Akash. You people have to try to fail that code of the Akash. Okay. So test case from my side is that we have an array of 8 size. N
Okay.
is 8, and
Okay.
let me tell you the elements of the array:
Yeah.
7,
7,
2,
2,
8, 9,
8, 9,
1, 3,
1, 3,
6, 5.
6, 5.
So you
Okay.
maybe already knowing that output should be 16 of this.
Yeah.
Output should be, we have already tested this test case. So we have already check out this. So outputs must be
Yeah.
16.
The output is
Increase
16.
the font actually. Yeah, now you
Can
can
you?
come down. Yeah, that's 16. That's great. That's great. So can you people, okay, you people can also share some, can you people also share, okay, one from Pratik. We have, Akash, can you see that this input?
1 second.
So can you, Akash, please
Is
test
it
this input.
897? Okay. Let
8976432. Okay, Pratik, give our output also. You have given the input, give the output also.
897. 6.
So output must be, I think, 24, I think. I don't know, 24, I think must be the output. Pratik, am I right? Can you confirm? Uh, Yeah, Mohit is saying 24.
This one, right?
So what is the so execute it? Okay. So we have few more input from the users. So I will take one or two more
Yeah,
input.
output is 24.
So that's great. That's great. And let me take one more from Ayush. So will you please check this one also?
Okay.
So this is actually the last one we are going to check, and the output must be
Ayush. Okay. 3456982.
20. I think 20 or I think 20.
Okay.
Yes, I think 20 must be the output for Ayush in Ayush input. You people can also audience can also help
Yeah,
us.
20 is the output.
20 without. I think two possible combinations can be possible here. One is 45698 and one is
Yeah.
5698.
This one and this one, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That's great. Okay, I think your answer is your code is working fine. Okay, Kash, will you please explain the logic first to us? Okay, what is the logic? Logic, I think, are you following the same logic which you explained earlier?
A little bit changed. I
Okay,
like more intuitive solution.
okay,
I
so
have changed this one.
you share the logic first, and then
Okay.
please explain your code actually how your code is working. Otherwise, your code is working very fine.
Yeah. Okay. So let me explain the logic first. So let's suppose we have a histogram. So I don't have a writing pad currently. So pardon me for this drawing. Like
It's okay.
it's
It's okay.
not very.
You're good at mouse also. You're drawing it very well at with mouse also actually.
Actually, it's my first time. Uh,
Okay,
So
Abhishek, I will check your input for
let me give some
Geetika. Okay,
size to these bars. So let's suppose this is 6, this is 5, this is 8, this is also 5. This can be 6 as well. This is, let's say, 3, then 5, then 2. Okay, so I have given the sizes of the bar. So this is 6. Now, the basic step would be like what we can do is we have to form a rectangle, right? So if we take one bar at a time, we can take any bar. So if we, let's suppose if we are taking this bar, so it will also form a rectangle, right? So the area of this rectangle would be 5 itself because the height of this bar is 5 and width is 1. Okay, so the area will be 5, right? But in the question, it is asked to maximize the area. Okay, so we can go beyond this boundary also. We have because we have to maximize the rectangle area. Okay, so why we should bound to this one only? We can increase its boundary. Okay, so we can increase its boundary up till here in the right direction, and we can also increase it up till here in the left direction, right? So now we can make a rectangle this one, right? So that's what we have to do. We have to first pick up a bar, like we can pick any bar. Okay, let's suppose if we try to pick this bar, then this is the minimal area that we can make through this bar, right? Now we have to expand this. So in the right direction, we can expand it till here because there is no bar here, so we cannot expand beyond it. And we can expand in the left direction up till here, right? So now we have expanded this bar up to its maximum level. Now we know the height of this bar is 5, and since we have found out the right boundary and the left boundary, okay, so what we can do, we can just say right boundary minus left boundary plus 1, that will give us the width of the rectangle, and the height will be equal to this bar's height. So let's suppose this is h. So this will give me the area of the rectangle that I can form by extending this bar, right? So I have to found the area of every bar by doing this, right? So um, so for finding the right boundary and the left boundary, we just have to like traverse in the array, right? And in the right direction and the left direction. Okay. So this is how we can find out the area of uh, this particular bar. And we can apply the same technique to find out the area of every bar by extending it, right?
Okay.
And we can find out the maximum of all of them by
Okay.
calculating for this one. By calculating for this one, we can found the maximum of all these. So that's what I have done here. So in the code, this is the input. Okay. So here I have taken the histogram input. Then this is the for loop for every bar. I am checking the left boundary and the right boundary. So initially I have initialized it with 0 and n minus 1. So I am assuming that the left boundary and right boundary will be extreme. Okay. Now in this loop, I am basically finding out the left boundary. So I'm going in the left direction of a bar and checking if I found any bar which is having size less than the current bar. So I will update the left boundary, and similarly I will do for the right boundary also. Okay, and then I can found the maximum area. So like I have also told you earlier that the area will be the right boundary minus left boundary plus 1. This will give the base and this is height. Okay, so by multiplying that, we can get the area, and by using the max function, we can get the maximum area out of all that. Yeah, that's what I am doing.
Okay, that's great. That's a great, Akash. Your explanation was also nice, actually. That was amazing.
Yeah.
And everything is very crystal clear, also, actually. And you were using nice approach, and that was great to see. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's, Geetika, what about your code? Have you completed or not?
Yes, sir, I've completed.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me add your screen now. Show your coding screen. Okay. So please increase a little bit. So let's execute your code first. Okay. So here is the input with you already mentioned here. You can see shared by the Abhishek. So please use this one to execute. Let's check out. Let me see. Okay, whether this will give 15 output or not. Let me also verify. Yes, that will give 15. Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
can you
15.
please announce the input?
Yes, that is actually 8 elements are there, and in the array 8 elements are there. Elements are 6, 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 6. So output must be 15. I think there is some error in your code. Okay, you can check out your code actually. So you don't have more time. Yeah, we can give you maximum 2 minutes. Otherwise, Akash will be the winner actually. So you people can also actually fill the form if you want to participate here. If you think that you are good in programming, you are doing competitive programming, and you are good at DSA, you can come here, you can compete live, then you can fill the form which is available in the description. Okay. And this actually program comes every Friday, near about. Okay. Geetika, sorry, I think input is there is a problem in input itself.
Sir, actually, I think there is some error in it, like importing the like text tag, so that's why.
And the elements are also here actually 7. I mentioned you 8 actually. The elements are 7.
That's why showing
I think we have Virender. Thanks for finding out this thing actually. We can thanks to the Virender actually for this. So do I need to? Okay. So what is the output?
15.
15. That's great. Okay. Let me take one more from Sai Charan. He just completely. Then let me check. He give the same one. Is this the same one? Yes, this is the same one. Okay. Let's check out different one. Any. So you can check for this Yash input. We can work with this Yash input. So the elements are 7 and let me announce element for you 525 triple eight 5 and the output no doubt output should be either 25 or yes that should be 25. Yeah, that's 25. That's great. So your code is working fine. Okay, well, let me take one more from that is given by Mohit. So Mohit is shared one last. Let's take this is the last one we are checking. So the elements are 7 again, and let me announce the elements 7451796. This is the last one I'm taking. So the output must be here 21. 18. I think. How much is that?
18.
Yeah, that should be 18. Last three, 666, 18 should be there. Mohit, yes. Okay, so your code is working fine. Okay, will you please give the idea, okay, logic, which logic you are using first, and then please explain the code also.
So like here I'm taking the example as this one. So we can like what we can do is I will just consider
Yeah,
it as
you need to increase your little bit font.
okay. So actually I'm not able to increase the fonts.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Yes, you can go, Geetika.
Okay, so I'm just considering this as an example to explain the intuition behind my code. So basically, what I'm just considering all the array inputs like the particular building block. So the height of first array element will be 7, right? For the second, it will be 4. For the third, it will be 5. For the fourth one, it will be 1. And for the fifth one, it will be like 7.
Geetika, we have only 2 minutes actually. Sorry, we need to end the session after 2 to 3 minutes. Okay.
6. Okay. So what I'm doing is like I'll consider this one as an like so what we can do is we have to just find the area of the maximum rectangle area that is formed. So like I can take this as an area. So this as an area, right? So For doing same, what I'm doing is like if I'm currently on 7th, this block, right? So what I'm doing is I'm traversing on the left side first, and I'm just finding the next smallest element. Like next smallest element to 7 is 1, right? So I'm just taking the index of this particular next smallest index. And for same I'm doing with the right side also. So I'm just traversing this side, and I'm taking the index of the particular block in which the length of the particular building is less than the current building. So as you can see here, when I will traverse on the right side, the length of the next building is 9, so that is greater than the current building. So I will just go ahead and I will check about 6. So basically here 6 is having less the element is less than the current element, right? So what I will do is I will just consider this one and this one, okay? And the answer will be calculated like from the index of that we get from the left side minus the index that we get from the right side minus the index that we have calculated from the left side minus 1. That will be the width basically, okay? So that will be the length of the width that we need, okay? And we'll just multiply it with the current height, so we'll get the area particularly. So I'm doing same for all the elements. I'm traversing I'm traversing in the left side, then in the right side, and then calculating the area. And I'm just keeping track of the maximum area side by side and just returning that area at the end. So that is all what I'm doing. So let me show you this with the help of code also. So this is the main function. So in this part I'm just taking the input, and here I'm calling the calculate maximum area and just printing them simply, okay? So here is the function calculate maximum area. So this next smallest right function will basically give me the index of next smallest in the right direction. Okay, and this basically left array. In this, I'm storing the next smallest left element. Okay, so for the same, I'm calling the left smallest next smallest left function. Okay, so what I'm doing next is I'm just traversing from 0 to the length of the particular array, and I'm just calculating the width basically. So that will be equal to like right array minus left array minus 1, that I've like already explained you in the previous example. And then I'm just multiplying it with the current length, right? And at last I'm just keeping track of the maximum area, and I'm finally returning the same. Okay, so for calculating the next smallest right, what I'm doing is I'm using stack for this. Okay, and I'm just adding the elements in the stack accordingly. Like I'm for the right side, what I'm doing is I'm traversing from the right end, right? So for the same, what I'm doing is if stack is empty, then I'm like just adding the nth element in the same in our temp array. And next, what I'm doing is I'm just checking if it is not empty, and the array and the next array in the left side, what I'm doing is I'm just checking whether it's less than the current array or not. If it is less than the current array, I'm just adding in the stack and just like I'm finally returning the same. And same for this function also. So that's all.
So I think your code is taking order of n time to execute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. We can find out you are using the stack to solve the problem, and your code is taking order of n time. Akash, I think what is the time complexity of your code?
So the time complexity is O of n square.
Of n square, because you are using two loops inside that, and you're
Yeah.
checking for every element two times. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. So let me wind up the session now actually. So let me wind up the session. So that was the great code actually shared by both of you. Akash, you explained it very nicely, and coded it also very nicely. So let's congratulate to Mars and uh, Watson. Okay, to winners from the audience side. Congratulations, Watson and Mars from audience side, and from coder side. Actually, Geetika will be the winner who solved the problem in order of n time. Congratulations, Geetika, and best of luck, Akash,
Congratulations, Kritika.
for the next time.
Yeah.
And thanks for coming here. Thanks for joining us, and thanks
Yeah.
everybody.
Thank you,
Okay,
Puneet.
so now I'm ending the session. So thank you, everyone. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.